Thank you, Aunt Patty and Aunt Carol Ann, for my presents. I'm gonna open them myself because I went in the box and I went in my bag and got them myself. And all I really want is that thing. Oh, I think I might have gotten one. Oh, let me try again this way. Yep, I'm keeping going. Maybe if I stick my whole face in there, I can get it out. I almost got it. That was a big piece.
Crazy. Look at that. She pushes.
I don't know why they get these in there so bit, huh, Boo Boo? You got it yet? What do you think? Did you get it? Oh, almost there. What? Ooh, don't swallow that. Did you get the present yet?
It's gonna pull its head off.
Ooh. Oh, we got one. Did you get one, Boo? Oop. Did you get it? All right.